Let's meet Peirce, a sophomore in the Johnston Center for Integrative Studies. The Johnston program offers students the opportunity to design their own degree, allowing Peirce to pursue many of his passions through a personalized education. It also offered the chance to impact his career and his community with his entrepreneurial spirit. Peirce, we can't wait to hear more. Please take it away.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Growing up, I had a bunch of different passions. One weekend, I'd be up in the mountains, tearing up the slope, and the next, shredding my guitar in my home studio. All while doing all that, I still found time to launch rockets, run miles, and race cars in the desert with my friends. I've always been interested in so many things. When I came to the University of Redlands, I was initially captured by the campus's aesthetics and their music and business degree programs. But after I discovered the Johnston Center, I knew I wanted to do something unique that would combine my various interests. I wanted a personalized education that would give me applicable skills and not just theory. In Johnston, students are encouraged to participate in hands-on, real-world learning. Johnston allows you to take your education into your own hands. Within Johnston, every student creates their own academic major, or emphasis as we call it. My emphasis is entrepreneurship and marketing. I've received college credit for attending marketing conferences, making viral videos online, and even founding my own company, Sherpa Media, and acquiring clients. And Johnston isn't just for people who want to be an entrepreneur like me. I have friends making their own degree paths in anthropology, ethnic studies, and set design, just to name a few. Redlands is truly a place where you can explore anything that your heart desires. As for me, Redlands has empowered me to continue down the path of entrepreneurship and intern at a major media company. There, I want to discover the secrets behind the movers and shakers in the marketing industry. Hope you keep following your dreams. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Peirce. You are definitely transforming your dreams into realities at Redlands. The Johnston program is an incredible opportunity for students to be the architect of their own education. Experiential learning at Redlands helps students prepare personally and professionally for their futures, which is awesome. Thanks again.